Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm back with a DIY video, something I've been wanting to share with you guys for a very long time now, and something that is something I swear by. I've loved this for months altogether and it has worked so beautifully for me. And it had been a while since I actually shared a good DIY with you guys. So this DIY that I have today is basically to grow your eyelashes thicker and longer. And if you are someone like me who has scanty brows, this can really make your brows really nice and thick. Now I'm someone who always had very short and very scanty eyelashes. So I had to come up with something that really did work for me, and trust me, this one in particular has done wonders for my eyelashes and also for my eyebrows. So if you are someone who's looking for a good DIY to have nice thick bushy brows and nice thick long lashes, then watch this video until the end. If you're new here, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you've also hit the notification bell. Do also follow me on my Instagram account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into this video. So guys, this is the most simplest DIY, one of the most simplest ones that I'm ever going to tell you, because there are only 2 ingredients, very easily available. First, you will need a good castor oil. The one that I have here is from the brand Aloe Vera. This is something that I have been using for a while now, and I trust the quality in here. You can use any of your choice. Just make sure your castor oil is cold pressed and is also hexane free. And the second ingredient that you will need is a good cold pressed virgin coconut oil. This is the one from the brand House of Perita. I've been using this, has a very sweet fragrance and something that has really grown on me in the past month and a half, really liking this product. So now we are going to dive in and see how to whip up this very easy and simple DIY for your eyelashes and also for your brows. Now all you need to do is you need to take 1 teaspoon, full teaspoon of castor oil, and make sure you have a glass jar. Avoid using plastic for any of your DIYs. I prefer using a glass jar. Pour in the full teaspoon of this castor oil into the jar, and then add 1 baby spoon or half a teaspoon of coconut oil in the same jar. Just mix it a little and there you go, you're ready with your DIY. Now just this much is going to last you for such a long time, because obviously you are not going to land up using a lot, and I use this at night before sleeping off. So once I've done my entire skincare routine, before sleeping off I would just apply it on my lashes and also on my brows. Now I'm also going to demonstrate how do I apply it on my lashes and also on my brows, but there are 2 things that you can use. One is a spoolie. You can get a spoolie anywhere, very easily available. Or you could even use a very clean mascara wand, but make sure it's super duper clean. So if you have any of your old mascaras, you could use a wand of your mascara as well to apply it on your brows and also on your eyelashes. If you don't have this, needn't worry. A Q-tip or an earbud does the job really well as well. You just dip into the DIY and then you just apply it on your eyelashes and also on your brows. This, you guys, has made my eyelashes so much better. I see so many of my eyelashes have grown in the lower lash line. My lower lash line was also almost bald, to be honest with you, because I barely had eyelashes there. Also because I use a lot of mascara, so a lot of my eyelashes break. But with this one, I don't have to hesitate before using a good mascara. I just go in with the mascara without worrying, because after that, before sleeping off every night, I apply this. It has really made my eyelashes even longer, for that matter, and of course a lot more thicker. Now I have been also using this on my brows, and I had very scanty growth on my brows. So my brows are thick in the sense that I keep them really thick in their shape. I like to keep them naturally thick, whatever their shape is. But actually, if you would see, and you have seen me in a lot of videos without makeup, if I don't fill in my brows, you can see the bald spots. With this one in particular, since the time I've started using this DIY, it has really made my brows a lot more thicker. So if you go back and see my old videos, and if you see my current video, even the one today that has been shot, or you know, a couple of older videos where I'm not wearing makeup and not using any sort of a brow product, you will see that there is a huge difference in my brows as well. So with that, it's a wrap, guys. Do try this DIY because I swear by this one. If you did like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell. And until I see you next, guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye bye.